So in order to use the DaManager free website builder, head on to the DaManager website, and then on your navigation, click on hosting, and then you see website builder. Scroll down, and on the free, click on order now. Select use a subdomain from the DaManager, and then you add your preferred domain name. Then you check out, and then you fill out this form. Fill out your billing address, and then you select pay stack and agree to terms and conditions and complete order, and there you have it. So head on to verify your email. So I head on to my email, I click on verify email address. Let's continue to client area. So in a matter of seconds, this should change to 1, and then you click on services, and then click on the free website builder. Scroll down and log into cPanel. Scroll down and click on SitePad, and then you create a new website. So this is the procedure. You choose a theme, then put in your site details, and then complete the setup. So let's get started. So I'll pick a theme for a photography business, and then add my details, flame flare, and then proceed with the install. Yes. So the site is complete. So let's check our site. And that's it, guys. Our site is ready. So all you need to do after creating your website is to customize this using a drag and drop, and edit every sentence to suit your brand style. And that's it, guys.